Okay, so this is a demonstration of cards 2, which kind of builds on what you did for cards 1. We give you most of the code that you would have implemented for cards 1, just so we have a common starting point. In this one, once you're done, basically the user will be able to click on cards that are on the table and decide where to put them into the array at the bottom. So if I put them at index 0, they'll always be at the front. Alternatively, if I pick another card and I put it, say, at index 1, it's going to be at position 1 in the array. So 0, 1, 2, 3. And I can add some others. Let's just add a bunch more. I'll put a bunch at position 3. Okay, so they're all there. Now if I click on a card that's in the hand, so we call the top up here the card table, and this is the hand. If I click on a card that's in the hand, it'll return to the table, and it'll go back to where it came from. So let's put a couple more cards back in. So I'm going to put all the red cards in my hand. So that's the first half of the assignment. That's parts 1 and 2. And then part 3, we're going to be doing some shuffling and sorting. So if you press 2, the hand that we're holding will shuffle using the Yates-Fisher shuffle that we did in class. And then if I press 3, it will sort the list by selection sort. Each card, it's sorted by suit and rank. So you'll see the diamonds are the lowest, and the clubs, and then the hearts, and then the spades. I'll need to shuffle it again. And for both of your sorting algorithms, you'll probably want something like what I'm going to show for insertion sort. We have a debug method in here, so it just sorts one level at a time, so you can kind of watch it in action. So just like we had the prints when we worked on the selection sort and insertion sort together, here we just have a delay so you can see the sorting in action. One complexity of this is you're not going to be able to use equals equals or less than or equal to or greater than or equals to when comparing cards. You're going to need to use the compare to interface. So that's something we did last year and we'll need to touch on again. Good luck.